Okay, so we see fractions in our everyday lives as well, and kids, when they see fractions, they just get really scared. They're like, oh my gosh, it's a fraction, what do I do with it? So let's think about what a fraction is. Fractions are parts of a whole number or a whole amount. Okay, now remember we heard that somewhere else before too. We actually heard it in our decimal concepts notes, right? Decimals are parts of a whole. Well, fractions are also parts of a whole. So they're very similar. Okay, actually we're going to change decimals to fractions. They can really actually equal each other. All right, so here, what is a fraction? A fraction, the top number in a fraction is the numerator. The bottom fraction is the denominator. The numerator is the part. The denominator is the whole. The part is the number of pieces you have. The whole are the number of total pieces in one whole. Okay, the number of pieces that make up one whole, that would be your whole. Let's talk about proper fractions and improper fractions. A proper fraction would look something like this, where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Now remember, the numerator is the part, it's the number of pieces you have. The denominator is how many pieces make a whole. So let's imagine this as a whole candy bar. It is made up of 5 pieces. Did you get all 5? No, you only get 3 pieces out of the 5. So we are only going to shade 3 of the 5, because that's how much you get. You have 3/5, so you don't have the whole candy bar, you only have part of the candy bar. Okay? An improper fraction is when the numerator is larger than the denominator. So for example, 7/5. Okay, the numerator is larger than the denominator. Whenever you see that the numerator is larger than the denominator, you actually have more than a whole. So let's say, for example, these are rectangular pizzas. Each pizza is made up of 5 slices. You end up eating 7 slices. Well, if each pizza is made up of 5 slices and you end up eating 7 slices, you definitely ate more than a whole pizza, right? 7 slices would end up being, let's see, if you eat a whole pizza, that's already 5 slices, so you definitely ate 1 whole. And then you ate another 2. That equals a total of 7 slices, right? Now you can see if you ate 7 slices, you end up eating a whole and then 2/5 of the second pizza. So 7/5 actually equals 1 whole pizza and then 2/5 of a pizza. Now you can check and see if this mixed number equals this improper fraction. 1 whole, 5 times 1 is 5 slices, plus the 2 extra ones you ate does get you back to 7. 7 out of 5. So that is an improper fraction, changed to a mixed number.